Hello everyone. Today I will be walking you through this poster that covers two exciting and high demand fields in tech, web and software development and cybersecurity. We will talk about what drives people to these careers, the current market trends, the challenges the professional face and what we have learned from working with others in this domain. Let's start on the left with web and software development. A lot of people get into this field because they love solving problems with code or they are curious about how websites and apps actually work. There's always something new to learn, new languages, tools, and frameworks. Some key strengths needed in this area include being open to learning, having a strong interest in tech, and being curious. Developers need to adapt quickly because things change fast. From a career perspective, the industry growth is huge and it's still expanding. There are so many roles like front end and back end developers or mobile app developers. Current trends include cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and mobile first design, along with newer framework constantly coming into play. Now, moving to the middle section, that is cybersecurity. This field attracts people who are passionate about protecting data and system from threats. It's for those who like being detail oriented, thinking about risk, and staying a step ahead of cyber criminals. Strengths here include being analytical, responsible, and ethical. The market demand is massive, especially with the rise of cyber attacks. There are many job roles in this space: cybersecurity analysts, ethical hackers, consultants, and more. And when we look at trends, there's a growing focus on cloud security, AI and threat detection, and protecting user data and privacy. So the scope is only getting bigger. Of course, with all this growth, there are some real challenges, especially in web and software development. Here are few that stand out. Developers often struggle to keep up with new technologies. It feels like there's something new every week. Debugging. Fixing bugs in code is not always easy and can take up a lot of time. Making website and apps user friendly and smooth is always tricky. And lastly, working in teams can be hard. Getting everyone on the same page isn't easy. So while it's exciting, it's definitely not without stress. This ties directly into our challenge. The big issue is that developers need to stay current, but tech evolves so fast. It's hard to keep up. Many feel overwhelmed. They waste time trying to figure out what's worth learning, and if they fall behind, it affects their work. To help solve this, any solution should be quick to learn, affordable, and practical, and it should actually help developers improve in their day to day work. The target users here are all the developers, regardless of their level or area of expertise, who want to stay sharp and keep improving. Lastly, from our overall learning experience, we picked up a lot. We learned to understand how different learners work in cohort. We improved our problem solving skills, sharpened our technical knowledge, and most importantly, learned to apply it practically. We also gained a better understanding of industry best practices, which helps us stay relevant no matter how fast things changes. These experiences have prepared us not just for technical roles, but for collaboration, learning on the go, and adapting to new challenges. So, to wrap up, whether you are into a building apps or protecting them, there's huge potential in both web development and cybersecurity. But staying up to date is key. If we keep learning, stay curious, and support one another, we can really thrive in this fast paced world of tech. Thanks for listening.